is Storage. Si Storage Miranda ay nag-file ng Chapter 11 bankruptcy. Dahil dyan, bumulagta yung coin pababa. Paki-take note lang yung mga resistance ni Coach Miranda, 0.06628 and 0.06842. Ano yung purpose ng 06628? Kasi meron siyang historical, no? Sa pinakakaliwa ka Miranda. Meron tayong historical price. Kita niyo yan? Paki-take note yan, ha? So pwede siyang umuntog ulit doon pababa or paakyat rather. Pwede siyang umuntog doon, gumagawa siya ng impulse, pero nakita niyo naman sobrang pangit ng candle, no? So most potentially, the market can continue for another red. So do not buy the reds. And if you are going to short the market or this particular coin, paki-take note lang po itong nilagay nating guhit. Alright, we alerted the members 0.061. Today it's 0.0605. Take note lang natin ito.